Hey there, welcome back to Tula Cooking. How do you guys like sauces? Personally, I love them. From time to time, I make pesto sauce, hummus, or other Indian chutneys.
They're super delicious and versatile. Sauces in general go well with pasta, salad, and bread. Once made, they can be preserved in fridge for up to 3 weeks.
In today's video, I want to share with you my homemade vegan pesto sauce recipe. Traditional Italian pesto sauce contains cheese, but since I'm limiting lactose in my diet, I prefer the one without it. They're as delicious as the traditional one and more healthy. Now let's get right into it.
We will start from preparing nuts. Smash the pine nuts so that it's easier to remove its shell. And now let's heat up the pan and pour a generous amount of olive oil inside. Fry the pine nuts and pistachios until they turn brownish. You can also roast them in the oven. Peel 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Now all the ingredients are prepared, let's put them into a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, a juice blender is also fine. Put everything in and add a generous amount of olive oil in it. Do not be a miser here, because olive oil is the essence of this pesto sauce. A good amount of high quality olive oil makes everything different. Before storing it in a sealed jar, let's add some black pepper and salt to give it some extra taste. Look how creamy and vibrant it is. Now let's transfer them into sealed jars. See how fast and easy it is to make your own pesto sauce? It's way more delicious and healthier than the ones that can be bought in supermarkets. Enjoying it yourself or giving it as a little cute present to a close friend, either way is a good option. I hope this video inspire and encourage you to make your own pesto sauce and start cooking more. Cooking and eating healthy is not as difficult as we thought. It can be fun and healing. All we need is an open heart and a little bit of patience, and try more. As always, thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about healthy lifestyle, delicious recipes, books, and exercise, subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next one.